Hello guys, I am Daddy the Guitarist. Today I want to show you how to play Huratiti by Jimmie Gait. So this is Rhythmic, and then there will be a part 2 which will be a solo. So I'm going to teach you this rhythm. Alright, so I'm going to teach you that. Let us begin. So the key is the key of B sharp. The key is the key of B sharp. I'm playing in the key of B sharp. Alright. The key is the key of B sharp. This is the key of B sharp. First finger place it on the 6th fret, first string, second string. Second finger place it on the 7th fret, third string. Third finger place it on the 8th fret, 4th string. Pick the bottom 4 strings. So I want you to go to a shape 2. First finger place it on fret number 5. Second finger place it on fret number 6, string 2. Third finger place it on fret number 7, string 4. Repeat this step on fret number 3 and 5. Repeat this step on fret number 3 and 5. This is shape 3, and then a shape 3 with a 1 chord progression. So we are here. Alright? This is where that rhythm was played. So this is what you do. First step, first finger, 1 chord progression. You've gotten it, alright? First finger on fret number 3, and your pinky finger on fret number 6. 1 chord progression, but that is shape number 3. But shape number 3 in full is alright. So this is what you do. I want you to play F note, string number 6. I want you to play fret number 6. I want you to play string number 2, F note. Okay, this way. First of all, I want you to play the D note, 2nd string, 3rd fret. D note, 2nd string, 3rd fret. So that is the 2nd string, D note. So play it like that, and then step number 2, I want you to play. After playing, I want you to bring your pinky finger and play the F note, fret number 6, string 2. So you have, when you're bringing your pinky finger, I want you to hammer on. Okay, I want you to hammer on, and then release, and then play string 1. So you have so after doing, bring it back. Okay, bring it back and play F note again, and then now release with a pull off. Original note with a pull off. That is the F note, 2nd string, 6th fret. So you have okay. Right, so then release. When you're releasing, you're playing the D note twice. I want you to play note number. I want you to play C note. I want you to play C note. After doing, play C note, and then C note, string number 3, 5th fret. String number 2, D note, 3rd fret. Then string C note, 5th fret, 3rd string, and then B sharp note, 3rd string, fret number 3. So you have together, and then finish with G note, fret number 5, 4th string. So you have now when you have reached there, now close that shape, close it to shape 3 again, and then repeat the same thing. Repeat the same thing, but when you are releasing, release everything. Make sure you release everything so that you can be left with this one progression. And then repeat shape, repeat note number, repeat note C, note D, note C, note B, B, then finish up with note F. This time don't finish with note G, finish with note F. String number 4, 3rd fret. So that you have right. So let us put it all together. So congratulations guys, you've learned how to play Huratiti. Right?